Hello you three, today we're gonna make still life. First of all, we're gonna draw a line on the ground. After that, gonna show you what are we going to draw. What are we going to draw? Okay. So I'm gonna back to the last one. So the first step, we're gonna draw the first the jar. So draw the line in the middle. We're gonna draw the curve for down. Curve here and back. And it looks like that. Okay. For here, make a curve and back. It looks like that. You have to notice this part have to be the same size. It looks like that. And back. Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. And then for here, I'm gonna make curve. Okay. It looks like that. Okay. After that, I'm gonna erase this line. We don't need it now, and the line of the ground, because this part is already covered with a jar, so it's not visible, so we're gonna erase it. So after that, we're gonna draw the handle. So from here, gonna make a curve and back. It looks like that. Okay, this one we are not going to color it, we're just going to draw still life. Okay, and the same thickness as much as you can. Okay, down we have this part, so we're gonna make a curve here, the same thickness. This is not straight line, with a little bit of curve. This is how to be. Okay, after that we're going to draw the tube. The tube have to be here, it's landing line here, so we're gonna make a line for ground and make a curve here for the tube, another curve here. We're gonna draw, okay, it looks like that, rectangle, and that is it. Then I make a rectangle here and curve, looks like that. Okay, label here for the color. Okay, it's tube for colors, so this is the first tube. I'm gonna draw the second one, so let's take another direction. Okay, so we're gonna draw curve here, another curve here. We're gonna make the same rectangle here. Okay, rectangle here, curve for the cap of color. It looks like that. Okay, here and here. This is two tube, looks like that. In our part here, we have bottle of oil. We draw two tubes, the jar, and then I'm gonna draw the tube. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Just come on. Okay. So for the jar, sorry, the bottle, I'm gonna make another line, straight line here, because we're gonna draw two parts of bottle, have to be the same size. That's why we have to draw a line in the middle for symmetry. Okay, so From here, I'm gonna make a small oval, not very big. Okay, and then make a line here, a curve a little bit, and drop the line to the ground. Okay, it looks like that. And then from down, I'm gonna make a curve here. This line have to be to the end. And remember, this part have to be the same here. It looks like that. This part of the bottle, we can see it because it's already behind the jar. So we're not going to draw it. This part, you have to notice, have to be the same size. After that, bring the eraser, erase this line foreground, and that is it. Okay, the cap of the bottle. So we're gonna draw lines here, 2 lines, vertical one, vertical, 2 verticals. So then we're gonna draw oval here. Okay, and we're going to erase this line because it's already behind, so you can't see it. After that, we're gonna draw some. For the bottle, has some vertical lines to hold it well. After that, I'm gonna draw oval curve first, and then draw curve. Here to be looks like an oval. To be looks like an oil inside the bottle. Okay. The next here we have 2 brushes, knife for coloring and pen. So I'm gonna draw it now. Come on, come here. So I'm gonna make rectangle, another part here. It's black one. Then the brush. This is the part of brush. I'm gonna drop some. It's very light. It looks like a brush. This is the first one. I'm gonna erase this part. And then I'm gonna draw the knife. Take a curve here. Another curve. Okay. Looks like that. I'm gonna erase this part. We don't need it. Some of you asking me how to draw the knife. That's how we're going to draw. Okay. And then make a curve. It looks like that. And stop and back. Remember, this part have to be the same size. This is how to draw the knife of coloring. Okay. And we're going to draw the pen. It's here. So, okay, pen here. It's rectangle. The top of triangle of the pencil or the pen, it's triangle. And line. And this is how to draw. Oh, okay. Let's read this part. Okay. And then I'm gonna draw another brush, rounded brush. This is looks like a rectangle one, so we're gonna draw a rounded brush. We're gonna draw the handle of the brush. Looks like that. And another one, thicker a little bit. Yeah. Okay. After that, we're gonna draw zigzag. Looks like that. This is how to draw spiky one. You can say spiky. This is how to do the rounded one. And this is how to draw knife, brush, jar, and bottle of oil. That's why. Do you know what kind of oil? Yeah. Oh, just wait a minute. No. Yeah. Okay, this is the colors. This kind of colors you use oil to color with. For example, do you remember the gouache and watercolors? You use the water to clean your brush, for example, put a little bit of water for the watercolors to work with, right? For this tube, we're going to use not the water, we're going to use kind of oil just to color with. Okay, we call it oil colors. Okay, this is our drawing. I hope it's gonna be easy for you to do it. Okay, you are not going to color it, you're going to just draw it, and don't forget to write your name and send me your work directly. Okay, see you next time, I hope next year. Okay, bye bye guys.